When he was good as a governor, did you know the claim his mandate in the Supreme Court? Judiciary was right. But now that he did not do this, did not happen, judiciary is wrong. Even when you do, you have no case. It's okay. Just take a propaganda, blackmail. So all those rumors carrying propaganda, I don't give a damn about it. As far as I know, that's not.
Thank you so much. I want to make a passionate appeal to Mr. Wike to please give due respect to Mr. Peter Obi. The way you respond to issues concerning him, even when there is nothing between you and Peter Obi, and you will always choose to be the one that will step up to grant interview. The media will invite you. You will be the one to go and speak about Peter Obi, to talk about Southeast, to talk about the Igbo. It's not necessary. It's uncalled for. You can be enjoying the ride now. Remember, there will be tomorrow.
No condemnation of INEC in Southeast. Why is there no condemnation of INEC in the Southeast? Why? INEC did very well. Look, I'm sure you will give them an award for what they did in the Southeast. That's the way election should be. But other areas, they did badly. Let us not be having a mindset. Sometimes you, the media, you go, do what I call investigative journalism before you come up with something.
Please, contribute to national unity. Some of the utterances is uncalled for. How INEC, there was no protest about INEC performance in the Southeast. There was no protest because Labour Party had polling agents. You know, the polling booths. The places where election was rigged were places where Labour Party had no polling agents. That was where the result, vote casted for Labour Party was shared to other parties. So they know what they're talking about. They are asking for justice. You should be a statesman and raise your level, raise your standard. Come up a little bit. This is a lower way of operating, as if you don't know how wants to be the governor. You address as His Excellency. Please, it's not good for you. Thank you and God bless you.
I never believed that our churches can, with all due respect, what I saw, the tenacity, look, it's like we must have to tell Nigeria that you can't continue to use judiciary the way you have to say you are part of the problem.